Welcome to the Jump 15 channel, where I help you jump back into fitness so you can rediscover your best self. If you have drifted away from your workout routine and you're looking to get back in shape, lose a little weight, and gain some energy so you can enjoy life and your hobbies, then this is the challenge for you. It's a 7-minute workout that you're gonna plan to do for 7 days with jump rope and body weight exercises. If you don't have a jump rope, you can substitute jumping jacks right now, but I highly suggest you snag a jump rope because jump rope is a hell of a lot of fun. And there's so much fun progression to be made within it. I have a couple jump ropes linked down below, and without further ado, grab your rope and let's do this. First, we're going to warm up. Cycle through this circuit 3 times or until we move on to the workout. This is just to prime our muscles and joints to help avoid injuries. All right, we're starting the workout in 15 seconds. Get ready, we're starting with the jump rope. All right, when we're jumping rope, you just want to stay at basic bounce. Go at the best pace you can, maintaining good form and technique. If you need to learn more about form and technique, you can check that out on my Start Here playlist at the homepage of the channel. Don't worry about trip ups, just get started again when you do, and go at your pace. All right, next up is body weight squats. Feet shoulder width apart. Weight back in the heels, nice and controlled. If you happen to be a bit more advanced and you want to increase the difficulty, you can do a squat jump. Otherwise, just stay at a nice tempo with the body weight squats. Rest it up. Going back to the jump rope. Here we go. The wonderful thing about the jump rope is that you get to control your pace. So if you want to go faster, as you learn more skills, you can pick up the pace and increase intensity. And when you need to dial it back, you have the freedom to do that too. Rest it up. Next thing is push-ups. If you need to go from your knees, go ahead and do that. And if you need to switch to your knees as we continue through the set, go ahead and do that. Good work. All right, back to the jump rope. This might seem really hard right now, but as you move through this week of doing this over and over again, you're gonna see yourself improve and your endurance get better. So don't get too discouraged, because this is just starting. Now we're gonna do alternating lunges. You can do them forward lunge or a step backwards, whatever is more comfortable for you. I prefer reverse lunges myself. Just make sure that your knee isn't traveling over in front of your toes. The back foot is just more balance with only about a quarter of your weight on it. Whew. All right, back to the jump rope next. How you guys doing? Keep working hard. Going back to bodyweight squats next. Make sure you're getting as deep as you can, but make sure it's comfortable. If you start feeling pain at any time, then give yourself a rest, or if you need to rest more, you're always free to do that. Three, two, one. Nice. Back to the rope. Keep working hard. You got it.
I just want to feel alive. I just want to feel alive.
Back to push-ups. It's our last round. Let's do this. Finish strong. Go hard. Nice work, guys. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you have done this already a couple times, continue on for another round if you're building up your endurance. Keep working hard. Push yourself harder every time. If you need to learn more tips on jump rope, check out my Start Here playlist right over here. And I have more workouts and tutorials on the channel. I'll see you in the next video.